Have you ever thought about how language shapes our world? It's more than just a string of words or a collection of sentences. Language is a vibrant, living entity, a tool for communication, a medium for expressing our deepest thoughts, ideas, and emotions. It's the bridge that connects us to each other, and more importantly, to the rest of the world. Consider the Khmer language spoken by the people of Cambodia. It's a language that carries with it a rich tapestry of history and culture, an audible testament to a civilization that has stood the test of time. With over 16 million Khmer speakers globally, it's a language that has reached far beyond its geographical boundaries, touching lives and forging connections. Language, in essence, is the key to understanding cultures, to unraveling the intricacies of societies, and to exploring the depth of human civilization. Understanding a language is like possessing a key to unlock the doors of its culture. Imagine being able to converse in Khmer, one of the oldest languages in Southeast Asia. This ancient tongue, with its unique script, has a significant place in the pantheon of world languages. Its distinct characters, each one a work of art, are a testament to the rich history and culture of Cambodia. Let's delve into the language and explore some simple phrases. Sude is a warm greeting equivalent to hello in English. Orkun means thank you, a phrase that embodies the graciousness of the Cambodian people. And Samto, a polite way of saying I'm sorry, reflects the humility deeply embedded in the Khmer culture. Khmer, with its eloquent phrases and intricate script, is not just a language. It's a narrative, a story of Cambodia's past and present, a reflection of its people's resilience and grace. It's a language that speaks volumes about the depth of its culture and history. Every language has its charm. Khmer is no exception. Why should one consider learning a new language such as Khmer? I'm glad you asked. Imagine unlocking a treasure chest of opportunities. That's what learning a new language can do for you. It sharpens your cognitive abilities, making your brain more flexible and open to new ideas. It also enhances your career prospects, as employers value multilingual individuals highly. But it's not just about the practical benefits. Picture the joy and satisfaction that comes from being able to communicate with people from a different culture in their own language. It's like having a backstage pass to the world, granting you an in-depth understanding of their customs, traditions, and way of life that you would never have gotten otherwise. Learning Khmer, for instance, allows you to immerse yourself in the rich cultural tapestry of Cambodia, from their ancient temples to their vibrant festivals. So why not give it a try? Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar. It's about embracing a whole new world of experiences.